Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through how I use SUNO AI and ChatGPT to produce a music under 5 minutes, and this is literally under 5 minutes. So you can see I give a ChatGPT this prompt right here, which is a Nigerian Afrobeat music style, and based on what's trending in Nigeria right now, write me a song script and give it a title. Then it's go on and on to write the script for me, and then the title of the music is Soft Life No Be Crime, and this is the result that SUNO AI actually give me. So it's in two style, you can see right here, the first one, the second one. Basically I like this second one the most, so let me play so you can see how that sounds.
I wake up, thank God for the paper. No long talk, blessings no be later. They won't know how man still the flex, but my life no fit for text. I dey chop life small, no they form hard guy make you fall, If you know be God, tell me who. When our gas nine come through, steady on my grind, I know they rush. Peace of mind, now him be the crush. Then go talk with them talk, I dey shine like said I wash. Soft life no be crime, oh.
You can see how that sound like, it sound like a real music. I'm not gonna kid you. So how do you go about it if you want to create for your own as well? So all you just have to do, just give it your own prompt. So I'm gonna edit this prompt right here. So let's say I want to follow some artist styles, like let's say Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid. So I'm just gonna input one of them's name, and then let's see what we got. So you can see in Nigerian Afrobeat music style, and based on what's trending in Nigeria right now, write me a song script and give it a title. I want you to use Burna Boy music style, right? So you can edit from Burna Boy to Davido to Wizkid to any kind of artist you want. So I'll be using Burna Boy right here. Then I'm gonna click on send. So let's see the new script is gonna give us. Then we move on to the next one. Right here you can see the title of this music is No Dey Carry Me Play. So, and these are the theme. So also resilience, street smartness, global dreams. So you can see intro spoken, deep voice with ad libs. So you're gonna copy from intro right here, so copy to the last edge right here, so to the outro right here. Then you can see Odogo is included, which is Burna Boy style. Then the next thing you're gonna do is to move on to SUNO AI. You can use the link in the description to sign up on SUNO. It's actually free, and I'm also running a free account, because with free account you can actually create up to 10 music for free. You can see the free plan right here. So 50 credits, renew daily for 10 songs. So then upload up to 1 minute of audio if you want to use your voice literally, right? And if you want to use any artist voice, you can also do that, I think so. So the next I'm gonna do is just click on create on the left hand side right here. Then you see simple custom, so just click on custom. Then you input your lyric right here on this particular box. So once you input your lyric, then under the style you select the Afrobeat right there. So then the next thing you're gonna do is to click on create. It's as simple as that. I didn't do anything extra to get that result, so I'm gonna click on create. Then I forgot to actually change this title of the song, but then I think we're still gonna get the result we want according to the script. So you can see it's done creating. So let's try to play it and see how it sounds.
Yeah. Mama guide me, oh. They want you see me shine. But I no be nice, but kill them. You they carry me play, oh. Hey, life will not be Ludo game, oh. Yeah, then they pick me from the shadow. But I they shine like Lagos rainbow. Yeah, you know they feel, they carry me play, oh. Yeah. But I no be dope, oh. From Port Harcourt down to Soweto. Then they feel the do like echo. I come from the place where them they use prayer chase police.
And you see how that sound. Let's play the second one right here and see which one is the best. First thing, I love this intro, I'm not gonna lie.
No, they carry me play, oh. Life no be Ludo game, oh. Then they beef me from their shadow. But I they shine like Lagos rainbow. No, they carry me play, oh. Yeah, Mama no be joke, oh. From Port Harcourt down to Soweto. Then they feel the bed do like echo. Oh, I come from the place where them they use prayer chase police. Dreams they big past pepper lights, but we still they find peace. Mama says son make you shine, but don't lose your soul for streets. Now I they ball for Berlin, but I still they miss a gege fish.
Wow, this is amazing. Like, this SUNO is mad, like sick. This is really amazing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm still gonna make more videos about SUNO because this what to subscribe for, and I mean it. So I'm looking out to what I can actually do with SUNO based on music space, you know, like. But then I think I'm still gonna look into it, and then maybe there's something I can make out of it, you know. All right, so that's how I was able to use SUNO and ChatGPT to create a music, and then there is no any editing. All you just have to do, just click on download right here, and you'll be able to download the music to your laptop or desktop. You can see download mp3 audio, which is very, very simple. So that is how it works, and kindly subscribe to the channel for more video like this. Thank you.